Alright, final day of spring, June 19th, 2025, CM Hayes here, coming to you from Ladysmith, 2054, southbound Q here, let's come out! 3387! Q198! Q198, 51 of the 14th. Fairview out of Prince Rupert, British Columbia, Canada. Heading down from Markham Yard in Homewood, Illinois. Last of it should be coming. Not yet to be illuminated, but will eventually. Not bad at all. Not bad. Catch though. We'll take it no matter what. So that is going to do it for the hot Q198, 51 of the 14th. We'll do it for the new 3387, the GECX knee BNSF variants, to be honest, delete it, and the DPU of the Tier 4 credit of ES44 AC3840. Once again, off Bay Roll to Markham Yard in Homewood, Illinois. And that is going to do it for this video at Ladysmith, Wisconsin for this evening. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. You have a great night. I'll see you next time, and I hope I will see you down the main line. CM Hayes out.